After kicking Zoleka out, Tumeka blamed Hlati for killing her son and banned him from attending Ligamva's funeral, but Nsiki quickly called her to order. Nwandle went to Cosmo to confess, but his mom followed him to stop him. Ligamva comes home in a coffin and everyone is devastated. Zethu went to see Qhawe and told her she doesn't know how she feels about her having Ligamva's heart while uLigamva ehambile. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Tumeka went on about how Zoleka is selfish. She came here and asked her for inhliziyo yomntwanakhe while umntanakhe esaphila. She killed her son. Uzoleka athi yazini, I'm not gonna let you call me a killer. uLigamva was already gone. The doctors confirmed it. uLigamva ubulawe accident, not me. Yet you finished what was left of him. And when Hlathi, then they tried to stop her ukuthi how Tumeka mana kancane. Athi when Hlathi don't even talk. Angisho wena vele you always choose your precious limits. So you did not even fight for our son. You always fight for uNosakhe because you still have a son with him, with her ubavumile. Your precious son, the Ligamva wenene. Yo, yes, that cut deep, and everyone just started reprimanding Tumeka. Please Tumeka Kaumi man, what are you saying? And then Lazarus decided, you know what, Thandasam Masambe, because Unsiki was now said cruise out our limits. And then they left because Tumeka insisted because they must get out. So they left and went home. Uzoleka was heartbroken, saying, how can Tumeka talk to her like that, accuse her of killing her son, while she knows her heart, she knows if she could have saved both the kids, but she couldn't. That's why she couldn't manage to could only save Qhawe. And Lazarus tried to talk to her, saying it's not her, it's just grief talking. So please don't let her get to you. Don't let her get to you. Normally, just focus on Qhawe and focus on her family. Let's just go to the funeral, give uLigamva a dignified funeral, send off, and then we'll be fine. Lazarus is so supportive and comforts Uzoleka. And then KwaMabandla, they're sitting as a family. Tumeka no Hlathi, the fight continues in the bedroom. They're making noise because even the people in the sitting room can hear them talking. They're busy shouting, like screaming at each other. Tumeka going on about why Hlathi killed her son and that he did not even fight for him. But Hlathi is like, but they told us our son is dead. Like, I did not kill him. They told us what there's nothing that can be done. At I would have waited. But ulindeni man, ulinde miracle engekho. And then Thulani comes and be like, hi guys, no man. Sizilile like, hi, what are you guys doing in business? I come no dabs and say that yeah, nasihlaza. Yini into eniyenzayo nasihlaza la. At I'm not gonna let Hlathi cry crocodile tears. He's the one who signed, he's the one who killed our son, and he's banned from the funeral. He cannot attend the funeral kaLigamva because he's the one that killed him. Unsiki athi mana kancane funeral kaMabandla le. Yo, wazibazazi into zakamabandla, but if funeral kaMabandla le, so you not dictate to attend it. Wena sizokusupport, akufuna uzinze and sithi kumatrust ezunina wengane. And uHlathi is Ligamva's father, so nothing you say or do can ever change that. So wena, you must stop using this ukufa kwaLigamva as a weapon. We must just lay uLigamva with dignity. Siyahamba njengomso. So this is what we're going to do. We're not going to dance to a tune. Everyone must be together, support Aneni, not what you guys are doing. Hi, Unsiki called Tumeka to order. Esekhala Shamu Tumeka, you can just see because she's hating, she's letting grief talk. And now Uzet went to see Qhawe in hospital, saying that she doesn't know how she feels about Qhawe having Ligamva's heart, a man who loved her and saw a future with her. I mean, she's grateful that Qhawe is alive and all, but uLigamva is gone. She lost uLigamva and she does not know how she feels about that because inhliziyo yakhe naila uQhawe uphila ngayo. Kanti uZoleka is standing by the door listening to all this, and then she comes in and tells Uzethu ukuthi I know this is not easy for you. You lost someone you love and all, but please, uQhawe needs peace. uQhawe is fighting for her life. She needs peace, not conflict or guilt. So please, ngicela ukuthi when you come here, don't speak to her about those things. So, Zethu, do you say that I must not come visit her anymore at classes? I'm just saying that don't speak to her like that. We want her to get better. We want her to accept the heart. So, in this positive again. We will tell her when the time is right, when we think she's strong enough to hear the truth. And then she embraces Uzethu. She said that with so much grace and love. And then umawethu goes to see uLwandle, telling him, "Guti, do you know what happened manje? Likamva is dead. Likamva is dead and his heart was given to Qhawe. And ubulawele hit and run yakho. If it wasn't for you, Likamva would still be alive. You need to do the right thing because the truth always comes out. You need to tell the truth. Ay, kuvele kuqhamuka uMakalandla. Hey, mawethu, khawushiye. Just get out of here, man. Khawuhambe. Please leave." And then Klenge wants to understand, wants to check on uLwandle, what is he okay? Auntie Ma is right, I must tell the truth. Umawakhe refuses, but and then uHlathi goes to see uQhawe. While he's there, he's getting flashbacks of everything that the fight that he had with Likamva, telling him that he never loved his mom. And all he wanted was Uzoleka, but because he couldn't have her, then he settled for Tumeka, and that umntanakhe wenyani, uLikamva wenyani is now born ubavumile. So that's what he always wanted, and blah blah blah. uHlathi ended up telling uLikamva to get out of his house, and even taking his car. He had flashbacks of that. I'm sure it hit home, and he was just so emotional. He left the room, and as he leaves, uThulani comes with other family members to come and fetch Likamva's soul at the hospital. I don't know how to explain it. They come with like some tree. He came with a tree branch to come and fetch Likamva's soul to take it home with them so that they can put it to his resting place. And then so they're busy in that bed that he died on, going, Likamva, this is not your home, let's go home. Sukise Kaya, where you're going to rest, Ukwenyani, with your forefathers, with your ancestors. And then Unseki tells Thandeka that the funeral policy paid out and she's going to contribute to 20,000 to help with the funeral. Thandeka was like, yo, I never thought I didn't expect that you would contribute. Ulikamva is the same, is like a son to me. And then, nangu uLwandle ungene cause bengqongqoza but we don't know you nje yathi uqala ukukhuluma namazali bukaLikamva. They called you to make it, then they want to listen to ukuthi ufunani. And then uLwandle starts explaining ukuthi on the night of the accident in Sandton, and then he starts getting flashbacks ukuthi when the accident happened, ukuthi he's the one that was driving. He saw Likamva's face and stuff. And then now, he could not even say what he just said. It was on the night of the accident. There was, but how man. Before he could speak, the people that went to get Likamva, they came back and they got distracted. He couldn't finish. And then now they're coming in with Likamva's coffin, and now people are singing. So he could not finish. Teto Kuba is the one that caused the hit and run. And then now they start singing, people come in and he gets distracted. Now he's joining that service. Yokamukela uLikamva endlini. Uthumeka was devastated. She was breaking down. And then they start talking, welcoming uLikamva endlini. Jiggy, Uzoleka no Lazarus came again, even though we were going to Izolo, they decided to come again. Obajonga nje uThumeka did not cause a scene at least this time around. Bedlule ke phambi kwaHlathi bebambane ngezandla ke kaloku, holding hands as usual. Abajonga uHlathi, yazini, it was just like, why are they even holding hands emngcwabeni where there's old people and stuff in the African culture? And then now uHlengiwe comes eCosmo, she even found the house, but then I think she's been there because ubesiza uHlathi ngecase. Comes against spots uLwandle and goes stands next to him. Amjonge nje ngamehlo ukuthi hey, don't you dare. Angene uNtsika abona ukuthi amusibloga shunqa ngekhanda, goes to hand her a scarf. uHlengiwe then put on the scarf on the head. Angene shem no Zethu. It was so sad seeing Zethu come through for the first time to see her boyfriend that he had plans with in a coffin. It was just so sad to witness. And then Thulani gets us to say they're gonna leave tonight to take Likamva to Ezilali in Eastern Cape to lay him to rest. You can just see ukuthi badabukile Zethu, uHlathi, uThumeka. You can just see ukuthi nje defeated. Even uLwandle was crying, just wiping his tears. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.